Hello guys, my name is Mark Downing. I'm here at Mississauga Toyota and I'm here with the brand new 2022 Corolla Cross, and I'm here to answer the question, what now replaces the Toyota Matrix?
So I'm here with the 2022 Corolla Cross. Under the hood here we've got a 2-liter 4-cylinder dual overhead cam, 16 valve, and it also has the D4S technology. So that means it has direct and port injection, which results in 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers on the front wheel drive model. And on the highway, it'll get you about 7 liters per 100 kilometers. If you go all-wheel drive like this model is, you're going to be at 8.1 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. So let's take a look around the 2022 Corolla Cross. It's going to have LED headlamps. Just look at that aggressive front end with that beautiful grille. Underneath that Toyota symbol there, you're going to have your Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Now this is the LE Upgrade model, so you are going to get aluminum wheels. With the upgrade model, you are also going to get a power moonroof there. Just look at those beautiful lines. Excuse the car, it is a little dirty. It is right off the truck. And also with this LE Upgrade model, you will get standard roof rails, so you can always put your roof racks on that vehicle. So let's take a quick look on the interior on this vehicle. So cloth seatings on the LE and L model. To go for the leather Softex, you will have to step up to the XLE model. There's your heated wiper blades, automatic headlights. Push button start on this model here. Just going to turn the fan down here. So LE Upgrade is going to come with the heated steering wheel. All of them are going to actually have the heated front seats. You can just see the wireless charger there. On the LE models, you're going to get an 8-inch touchscreen here. You can see the interior. It's pure Corolla in here. Basically, they took the design right out of a Corolla, lifted it a little bit to make it fit for an SUV. So that was a brief look at the interior. And now let's check out that trunk space. So you can see our trunk space here. You are going to have a tonneau cover, privacy shade for your luggage, and it's also going to be a nice 60/40 black folding back seat. Let's pop those forward. And there you go. That's the trunk space of the 2022 Corolla Cross. All right, guys. Thanks for checking out my video.